Welcome to the project demonstration of Smart Irrigation Management System using reinforcement learning model through a Markova decision process. So in this project, the main application is instead of controlling the motor based on the soil moisture sensor, which is basic auto irrigation system, we are using Raspberry Pi to get weather forecasting data, and that too today's data and tomorrow's data along with moisture content. These three parameters are main input to our machine learning algorithm, that is reinforcement machine learning algorithm. We are using that to take a decision to control this motor by using this electromagnetic relay. So for example, so first condition is if the sensor has to be dry, and the next condition is today's weather condition should be clear or sunny other than the cloudy or rainy. If tomorrow's weather also is cloudy or rainy, then the system won't on this motor. And there are another two conditions, multiple conditions are there, checking with the humidity and temperature and moisture content, so and weather status. So almost number of samples will be taken as input to the reinforcement machine learning algorithm. Based on these sensors data along with weather forecasting data, then the system will take a decision to control this motor, and that will be again off whenever the sensor data or reinforcement weather data is received for to control the motor. Then automatically the motor will be off, and that will be done continuously by the Raspberry Pi model we are using. And inside that we have inserted the 32 GB micro SD card, which will stored the operating system inside that, and we have loaded the code in Python language that will taking care of input from the sensor module as well as getting data from the internet weather forecasting data, and the same data will be displayed on the LCD screen and controlling this relay by interfacing that to the pin number 26, and we have interfaced the LCD display at pin number 9, 10, 11 and 18, 23, 24 pins of our Pi model. And this is the regular power supply board which will take 230 volts AC inputs, and parallelly that was given as a power supply source to the motor through this relay. And this regular power supply board will take 230 volts AC input and provide us a 5 volts DC output. So that will be distributed to the Raspberry Pi LCD and sensor to the relay by using this breadboard. So before demonstration we need to on the hotspot, as by utilizing your hotspot along with data only, the system will get weather forecasting data from the internet. So just configure the hotspot name to project 7244 without any space, without any capital letter, and password should be 123456789, and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After enabling all these settings successfully done on the hotspot along with data, right, so now on the power supply to this kit. So hotspot and data is important. So once we on the power supply to the kit, it will take 20 to 30 seconds of duration to boot into the operating system. Just like when we on the mobile phone or laptop, it will take some time to load the OS. And once the OS loads successfully, then it will check with the programming part, and welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen. Right, you can see the one device connected in your mobile phone. Right, welcome to the project. And the next, connecting to the internet. Once successfully internet data is available, then internet connected, and the reading data from the forecasting. Right, so today's weather we got that without any sensors we have interfaced here. So we are getting the data for today's condition and tomorrow's condition. Right, both clear condition as well as it's a dry. So based on these three data along with four another temperatures, two temperatures today and tomorrow, and the next humidity, right, the decision was made to on the pump. And to off the pump, again it has to check with the primary thing is the levels of water near the soil moisture sensor. So whenever we dip that into the water contents, we can see that the another light gets switched on. Right, and the process continuously done. It will take around 10 to 15 seconds of duration to check all the details along with the weather forecasting and the sensors data, and for analyze the data, then decision making. So once decision making is successfully done, again the relay will be controlled. Right. Right. So now the relay got switched on as the decision was made to on the motor. Right.